Mobile, Alabama, this is Michael Tritthart, and we have a powerful class coming your way on Tuesday, June 12th, which, by the way, happens to be my birthday, so come celebrate my birthday by generating some leads in the class that I provide you. From 9 to 12 that day, I'm going to show you how you can discover your Facebook gold mine. We're going to go in hands-on on Facebook and generate a tremendous amount of leads in this class, but also show you how to do it as you move forward. Then we're going to go in and talk about Google. Tons of opportunities for every agent, every small business out there to improve their business with Google. We've had attendees who have applied what they've learned in this class that are now making over an extra $100,000 a year annually, every single year, by applying what they learned in this Google class. This is something you cannot miss. Cost on this is only $49. It's unbelievable. It's going to be at the Mobile Area Association of Realtors. It's open to all real estate agents. It's open to all small businesses in the Mobile area as well. So see you guys on June 12th for this very powerful day.